boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. Justin Timberlake, what a great artist there. I think you recognize that name, perhaps from Cry Me a River, What Comes Around Goes Around, Mirrors, and all that good stuff. I think we covered Justin's songs a couple of times at least here on Go On Guitar. This time we had a song called Selfish. So it goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end, and it's 4 chords with the capo set here on the 2nd fret. That is what I believe would be the best scenario here, the easiest chords possible. So let's start with the capo on the 2nd, and we're gonna go over the 4 chords. So we're gonna start with the A sus chord here. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. All right, the next chord will be a B, and I'll go with the sus version there as well. So you're gonna put a bar here first on the 2nd fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. Then we have the E, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And then the final chord will be the C sharp minor. So that is a bar chord. You place the bar on the 4th fret, same string as the B chord here. So 5 strings from bottom up on the 4th fret, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. So there you have the chord progression, guys. A to B to E and C sharp minor. All right, so we have this string pattern we're gonna learn now. So if you grab the first chord, the A, one round will sound like this. All right, so it's down, clap. Easy start, so down, clap. Then comes down, up, down, clap, down. Down, up, down, clap, down. So down, clap, then down, up, down, clap, down. So one round is. And a couple of round sounds. All right. So you're gonna play just one string around per chord in the order we learned the chords. So A, B, E, and C sharp like this. So you're gonna play like that from the beginning till the very end. Easy peasy, guys, so no problems for you. 4 chords, 1 string pattern, we love that. And that's it for Justin Timberlake's Selfish. So good luck, and hope to see you here very soon. If you like this tutorial, so please feel free to support me here on Go On Guitar. Thumb up this tutorial, and perhaps consider to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, so why not? Yes, so play tuned.